What up, Andy? Oh, just setting this stuff up. Am I missing any of the action? Boom. What up, guys? What up? What up? Trying to squeeze freaking anything out of this market right now. Over 980, I would say we're going to rip. If we can get up there. Oh, yeah. Push it. Oh, man, I got Christmas blend coffee. Come on. I might actually just take it right here. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. That was a good one. Boom, 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 boom. See if I can get this over. Oh, man. Just seeing what we got going on here. Up in here. Damn, they pushed it. Oh. If it comes back down, I'm buying. If it comes back down, I'm buying. Holy shit. What's going on, William? What up? What up? Dude, I mean, we're just in some freaking chop. I feel like I'm playing the overnight. Oh, my back. My back in this seat. I mean, we haven't gone anywhere. We're just kind of. I'll grab some. See what I can do. Boom, 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 boom. I would assume that they're going to push it one way or another pretty hard at some point. Ooh, my bias is to the upside. Every time we come around this area, let me see if I can play this with my freaking funded account. I'm just looking to flip the range. Just play the range. Basically buy the bottom of the range and sell up. Let's see what happens. Let's go. Damn, man. This market. Here we go. Pump it. Come on. Come on. When's the bounce? I don't know, man. This market's just very algo-y, choppy. I'm just playing around here, just trying to get a couple shekels. Boom, 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 boom. I mean, it is at the bottom of the range that we've kind of been at. It's funny. As soon as I play the range, it breaks the range. Did I make money on the Trump dump or lose money? I made money on the dump. Yeah. We were talking about it in Discord while it was happening. Crazy. Oh, I mean, that was just super quick. There we go. 30 bucks. 30 bucks in the old funded. Just trying to play the range. Oh, I would have taken that. I was going to take that. Let's see. Pump it. Come on. Are you not going to bring it up here? You know you want to go up. I know you want to go up. What are we doing here? I would be prepared to see a lot of that Trump stuff more often coming up, by the way. Just throwing it out there. If you were trading back in the day, it was happening like every week. Or it felt like every week. But yeah, it would go up, down, and then it basically, you'd algo like up and then you'd come back down, or you algo down and it'd come back. It's just kind of him, him just flexing. Oh. Looks like I got out in time. Normally I'd play this for a dump. I'm just looking. Yeah, I mean, I don't know. I just play whatever's given to me. That's all you could do. Is just play what's given to you. I can't do anything else. Just waiting for some moves. Let's see if we can get a move down here. Come on. There we go. $175. We're just inching there. Just inching to pass this account. Dude, today's a rough day. I just got a sell alert. Let's see what happens. We actually get under. You know what I want to see? Let's see what the big chart says. I'll be honest with you. Watch us dump. Watch us just freaking dump. Can you give yourself unlimited points? I can give myself unlimited points. But did I give myself unlimited points? The answer is no. I have not given myself unlimited points. Boom! Another one. Another one. We'll trade this crap market. We're up. We're doing it. What up, Donald? What up, sleeper? Honestly, watch this. Watch us view 28. Watch us just go down to 28. I only got 2. Push it. Oh, I gotta scratch my back. Just trying to push this account up, up. Oh no. Take it easy. Take it slow. No need to rush it. Definitely no need to rush it. What's up, Joyce? What up? What up? I should have taken this move with my funded account. It was actually a really, really good setup. I'm just so afraid because there's so much less volume. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. Come on. I got my order in. No. Why would I have problems? What problems are you having is probably a better way to put it. What's your issue? Like, are you not getting the money? Boom! Psh. Dude, that was sweet. I've been waiting for 6 days? Something's wrong, man. Something's definitely wrong. Are you waiting for the money from my funded futures to rise or rise to your bank account? That's probably a better way to put it. Rise to your bank account? Is your bank account set up? Like, who are you banking with? Like Wells Fargo, TD Ameritrade, Bank of America? Like, who are you banking with? Oh, you're in the UK? I mean, is everything set up? Did you verify? I'm not in the UK, but I imagine everything should be fine. Yo, what up, Pine Tree? What up? What up? I'm from Brazil. Yeah. I think you should be fine. All right. I'm just going to go over this trade really fast. By the way, I ended up getting, I don't know if this deal is going away. So I don't know what the deal is. But my take profit trader has 40% off, no activation fee. I ended up getting 2 more accounts. I just got them today and I just traded them on that trade. I just don't want them to go away with my after Black Friday and then me miss out. So I got them. So actually I love the trade that I just took. So see this blue line? This is the orb of the hourly. So it's the hourly orb. This is right there. That's the take profit trader that they're offering. But so we swept below the hourly orb. First we bounced off of it, which I love. I only play first touch. And then we sold through it. And once we got through it a little bit, because I don't want to get caught on like one of these like back and forth, and then dump. Once we're through it by like, I don't know, 8 points or so, I put an order right back in the orb because I think if they buy it back up and we go back in the orb, they usually push it back up. And that's sure enough what just happened. We took it right through the hourly orb and we were able to get, what was it, 19? I mean, you could have gotten 14, 15 points. Opening range break, hourly, the first hour of trading zone. But yeah, Jay, I mean, I would look into that. Something seems wrong. Um, but yeah, like the first hour range is this blue line. And being that we traveled so far, I felt like we would bounce right there. And sure enough, we did bounce. I grabbed it. And I'm only looking for, on a day like today, like I'm taking my 5 points. Like today's awful. But then we turned around, sold through, and then I put it back here because I figured if we were going to bounce through, it would go through with some type of conviction. And sure enough, we did. And I was able to play it again. And then I played it in my take profit trader accounts also. But now that we're trading below, you know, this was the top for a while. Look, you could see where all these candles. I wonder if it holds 900. 900 would be, trying to, this fucking, there we go. $130. Yeah, I don't know what the minutes say. Seems like they had that deal for the past year. No, the deal was Keystone. The deal was 50% off. You had to pay the activation fee, and then you got your eval money back when you got your first payout. That was the deal for a while. The no activation fee is where it's at, personally. That's that's the one deal that I like. No activation fee. But we'll see. I only seen one Black Friday deal come out so far. I'm waiting on the other firms to kind of step up and do some Black Friday deals. What was weird was FOMC minutes came out at 2, and then we went up for a little bit. There was no even knee-jerk reaction. Yeah, pretty much. Pretty much. What up, A plus? Yeah, I mean, if you're up 200 on each PA, might as well just chill out. I got some bull knocks evals I'm about to slam. If we reverse off of this down, not since they renewed the thing. Nope. I know a couple people were denied. Kid Poker, that's pretty good. Same PA. What account is it? Is it Bulldogs? Or is it I'm just wondering, is somebody I'm guessing it's somebody that leaves you with a buffer. Oh, it's a 25K Apex. Solid. Ooh, what was that? Oh, baby. Going for a ride. I got my 4,500 payout, then blew those. Wow, dude, that's a big one. The 250 is definitely a lot of money you got to make. With the new rules, the 25K, how much money, what do you have to get up to pull the money out? You got to get up to what, like 2,000, is it? Oh, that's not bad. 1,600. I'm just wondering how much does a 25K cost? Because I know the 50s are like 33 bucks. Ah, so it's pretty close. But obviously you need to make a lot less money. Yeah, I was wondering. I was just wondering what the they're definitely the fastest to payouts. I splurged for a 25K on Tradeify today. I got I got the what do you call it? The straight to funded one. I'm up already on it, 148. But yeah, I traded a micro in it, and I was like, oh shit, that was quick. Trading two micros, solid. I mean, it goes to show you don't need to trade like big money constantly. A couple micros can go a long way. People just don't realize that. Everybody's like looking to trade, three minis, five minis. But yeah, let's see if they can keep it under the 34. See what happens. Yeah, I trade five micros when I trade my live account. Like when I trade my AMP account, I trade five micros. That's pretty much where I'm at. Five micros, and why don't I trade with three micros? I'm not trading a 25K account, but when I trade my real money account, I trade five. Oh, I hate this when I was right and I get top ticked. Yeah, you could definitely blow a lot of minis. Dude, the minis add up quick to the wrong side if you're wrong. Don't want to be wrong. Yo, I didn't realize the market's open on Thanksgiving Day. Yeah, funded accounts, I stick to 1 or 2, and then obviously the evals, I'll pump it up. The eval, you could trade futures. I think till 1 o'clock you could trade futures on Thanksgiving. I'll definitely pop on and say what's up. I'll sling a couple contracts. Man, MSTR is down 13% today. What up, Nizam? I'm waiting for what's BTC at? Bitcoin's taking a little bit of a bath now. Do you guys think we're going to break 100,000? What do you guys think? Very bad day. Why? What happened, Nizam? You lost 8 PA accounts? Bro. I mean, it all depends on where Bitcoin is. MSTR is literally like a Bitcoin ETF. I'm wondering if they push Bitcoin to like 105,000. If they did it during Thanksgiving, that'd be amazing. Dude, that's a lot of PAs to lose. I guess. I mean, I think it's the most simplest company. They just buy Bitcoin. They don't really do much. Yeah. Yo, Nizam, how'd you lose them, man? Were you getting chopped up? Just yo-yoed? I only asked because we haven't really gone. I gotta ask, what companies do you like, Kisan? Are you like like name 3 companies that you like are like they're good? Is it like a Tesla or is it like Ford? Is it like Apple or is it like SoFi? Like I feel like you like the older companies that have been around, like Delta. Dude, Kramer called the top. I think it's gonna break 100,000 personally. I think if they're gonna end up pushing it back up, it's gonna go to like 105,000, and then it's gonna, I don't know. I just think overall they're gonna bring it higher than 100,000. Yo, that's the only time to enter. I think they're gonna break 100,000, and you're gonna see like 105, 110, and then then they're gonna tank it. But I don't think they're gonna tank it yet. All right, Josh, let's see. What's all right? The NQ range is 400 points daily range. One micro is $800. If you simply place a sell order, once it's, I guess, up or down 150 or 200, I can basically keep DCAing until the end. I agree with that. Usually that's how it happens. You get a blow off top where it just, I don't think we had a blow off top by any means because 90,000 isn't that far away from 75,000. I think if you got to like 110, 115, it would, and then it would come back. All right, so what's the deal, Josh? Do I just buy and I just keep adding? Am I going to do this? Are you going to get me to do this in an account and we'll see what happens? We'll call it the NQ range account. Yo, the problem with the prop firms is you can't hold overnight. All right, so you add every 50 points against you with 50. All right, Josh, how long have you been doing this? I got to ask. I got questions, and I think you got answers. How long have you been doing this for? So you've been doing this for a month. With all right, so say we open. All right. Oh. All right, so say we open here. You basically wait to where 50 points in one direction and then you add a micro. So if we go up 50 points, you short one micro. And your target is to come back 50 points. Yo, Keyson, I mean, the guy's a fucking clown, man. I mean, it wouldn't surprise me if it came out one day that he didn't really make any of the money. I think he's entertaining. I think he's a cool guy. I just don't think he's anywhere near the best trader. Yeah, he's got a Lambo, all right. From people buying his dumbass course. But that's how it works, Josh. You wait until the market goes like 50 points one way or the other, and then you buy. And then you go the opposite way with one micro, and then just keep DCAing in. I'm just wondering. Because I'll definitely do it on the fucking stream. Scott definitely gave him the heads up. Scott just gave him the head. Market's too rigged to buy random 50 point without context of the chart. Hey man, I'm here to fucking gamble. Josh, I'm in. This shit looks like it's ready to tank. I mean, you guys want to see it. I mean, right? Like, you don't not want to see it. I mean, might as well just do it and see what happens. I mean, I can't do it today, but I'll do it on I'll do it tomorrow or whatever. I'll just start adding 1 micro. I wonder if you do the first buy with 2 micros and then 1 micro after that. Or you do 1 micro and then if it goes another 50 points, you do 2 micros. I don't know. Yeah, if you held overnight, so if it hits the big third leg, you go 2 micros. Is that what happens? Yo, what up, Alfred? Oh man, if you're over 4 lots position size, take half off at your break even. Josh got the rules. All right, I'm in, Josh. I mean, why not? Why not just dig around and do something like that? He took a massive loss. What I heard, he blew like 9 accounts or something. Yo, somebody comment and tell me he went the wrong way. Honestly, though, if you're playing big to make big numbers, you're going to lose big. I mean, it's just the way it is. Here you guys go. You ready for this one? If you can't stomach the losses, you won't win big. Taking a 3K L today. But, and this is why I like options. I'm going to explain this to you right now for you guys real quick. MSTR is minus $1,400, right? If MSTR stays at 343 by next Friday, I will make $2,245. I just need this to stay above 300. Actually, I need it to stay above 292. That's what makes selling options great. Time is on your side. Time's on my side. And worst case scenario, I'll be honest with you, if this goes down under 300, I'm going to sell a 225 put and collect more money. And I'm going to turn around and sell a call also. So it is what it is, man. If you play small, you're not going to win big. We'll see. I'm hoping tomorrow it bounces back, and basically that'd be another day of theta eating it up. So like say we bounce back to like 370, and plus will be another day of theta. You know, that would be the ultimate if we were green tomorrow, and yeah, and it would be another day, because I don't think Thursday's closed. Friday you're not going to go anywhere, so you know there'd be a lot of theta eaten up as the days go on. That's the risk I'm willing to take, though. Like I said, I think if I get put to stock, I could turn around and sell a call for at least $20, $30, which would lower my cost by probably 10% anyways. And I truly believe that Bitcoin, I really do believe Bitcoin is going to get over 100,000. And once that does, MSTR will pop again, and all will be good in the neighborhood. Like Mr. Rogers, baby. Yo, the premiums are fucking ridiculous. And that's why, like, I think if I got put to stock, the at the money calls are like $70. So I would just turn around and sell an at the money call for $70. I mean, I'm not cooked yet, man. Also, you got to remember, my account is down 3,000. I also made about $1,400 yesterday. So this week, it's only down $1,600. And last week I made, I don't know, $11,000 last week. So I'm not really that worried. We're still gonna keep the lights on over at the Cove House. Well, if the premiums get sucked out, that means my put option premium will get sucked out and I'll make money. Casa de Cove. Man, it's fucking hot in my office. Why is it so... Why am I... Oh, by the way, I don't know if you guys have Fresh Market by you. But I got Fresh Market by me. Dude, I got this Christmas coffee I just got. Chateau de Cove with those option payouts. Bro, I've been doing well. You know what stocks I really want to look at is all the nuclear stocks. I think I am going to take a significant amount of money and I'm going to put it into a bunch of nuclear stocks. Are we cliffing? I don't know. The Fed, this was the Fed, I guess. I think nuclear stocks are going to be where it's at for a very long time. Just like AI stocks got pushed up for a long time, I think you're going to see nuclear is going to be a whole like a whole theme for a little bit. I think it needs to cool off a little bit. How did I get the idea of nuclear? A lot of these AI facilities, Amazon, Microsoft, are all trying to build nuclear plants to help power all their shit. It was like a whole thing like 2 months ago. And basically, one of two things is going to happen. Either they are going to go nuclear, and it's going to take years, but I think the stocks will trend. Or Tesla's going to start building these, Tesla's a power company. I think Tesla's going to start building these huge like giga facilities to help power Microsoft and Amazon and stuff like that. And the Tesla energy is going to skyrocket. So I definitely want to own Tesla, and I definitely want to own some of the nuclear stocks. But I don't want to buy Tesla where we're at currently. I want to buy Tesla at like, 280 or something like that. I don't even know if it will come down that much. Oh, they're using AI for everything. Everything. They're using AI to power all types of shit. All SaaS. I mean, it's in everywhere. It's everywhere from like making videos, HR departments. SoFi is using AI for banking. It's everywhere, man. It's everywhere. Popping drops, baby. Yeah. I think nuclear is going to come down a little bit. I think a lot of stuff is going to cool off. I just can't buy at these multiple. I can't buy where it is. I don't know. I don't know how you came about that. Like Lemonade is using it for their insurance. It's being used a lot of places. Like a lot of places are using it. They're all not losing money with it. Asian countries are picking Chinese EVs over Tesla. Yeah, maybe. I don't even give a shit about their cars. When they roll out those bots that the normal person can afford, I would say that those bots are going to take over a lot. The Tesla bots. I know it's not tomorrow, but the stock market looks into the future. So if Tesla comes out next year and does like a conference, and you see that bot folding laundry and like making breakfast and doing all types of chores, or like in the workspace doing things like packing, Tesla stock is going to run for a while. Stock market looks at the future. They're not looking at today. It rarely looks at today. That's why when somebody has earnings, they'll have good earnings and then the guidance is shit and the stock goes down. Or they'll have not great earnings, but the guidance is great and the stocks go up. Oh, man. Oh, geez. Have to be cautious about those red folders, baby. Josh, you're going to see me do it tomorrow. Tomorrow starts our journey. I'm going to you're out next week? I agree with NVIDIA, but the problem is they're sold out for like 2 years worth of chips. So it's hard to be like, if they're sold out, that everything they make, anybody got a spare long? If you told me that a company is sold out for 2 years from now, I mean, the earnings were great, but the stock actually didn't go really anywhere. I think the valuation is up there. I'm not looking to buy NVIDIA. I think where we're sitting at, I'm good with. Oh, Josh, I got. Dude, how do I don't even know how I do this. Whatever. By the way, guys, we're going to do a poker tournament. We're definitely doing a poker tournament. We'll do whoever wants to come. Obviously, I'll invite all of the guys that are on live stream, and I'll try to get some other traders in here and whatnot. And we'll do a I can't live stream it, but we're gonna do a poker tournament. We'll do some giveaways and stuff like that. Yo, Josh, where are you going next week? Oh man, I was looking for something. Oh, here we go. Traveling today through Sunday. How cold is it up there right now? I think it's freezing, isn't it? This looks good on the bigger charts. It's so weird how slow it moves today compared to normal. See, this is how fast things move around. It was down 3,100. Now we're only down 2,600. MSTR is coming back. Technically, this should be all profit. if it closes up here. This is another one. ASML, I'm in the profit, but I got to wait until, you have to wait till Friday. Should suck the premiums out. I got a couple things expiring this week. Dude, DCA for the win. I'm about to do the Josh strategy. Yo, Josh, I'm just curious, have you gotten payouts like that? What does the payouts look like when doing that? I got too many Tradeovates now. This is Tradeify. Look at that. Take Profit Trader. I wish you could do all your Tradeovates just in one place. I don't know why I have to have all these different Tradeovates open. Dude, Ray. I mean, I've done shit like that with real money, though. I've done stuff like that with real money. It is what it is. It's not bad trading, Ray. It's you had the conviction that it would come back. You weren't gambling. It was your conviction. Yeah, they should have a multi-login system, though, where you can log in multiple times on this browser, like on the settings, that will allow all the accounts to come up. Yeah, I don't know if that's happening. I'm in on Josh's system. Josh, did you get payouts doing that, man? Before I start doing this, I want to know that you got at least one payout. I don't need a lot. Just tell me you got one before I start doing this. So Josh, I'm guessing that's a no, but how close are you to a payout? Like, are the accounts at like 52,000 or the accounts at 51,000 or are they like where the accounts are under 50,000? I just want to know what we're looking at here. I'm about to. Bro, I'm about to. I'm going to have one account that we just do it on. And it just goes, you'll see it all day in a position. All day, it'll just sit in a position so we can all watch it. Yo, and then once it fails, I can blame Josh for it. But if I get a payout on it, I'll message Josh. All right. Other than that, are the accounts up? It works. Josh is right. Every 50 points. I can't believe I'm going to do this. I'm just seeing, would it have worked? It would have worked today. You would have gotten filled here. You would have gotten your money. You would have basically got filled down here, and then you would have basically got your money. You would have gotten it twice. Yo, Joseph. Wait.
We did it. We did it, Joe.
All right, Josh, here's the deal. I'm going to do 2 micros at a time. What's 50 points in 2 micros, anyways? 50 points in 1 micro. Well, 1 micro is $20 every 10 points. Don't do 200. Why? What happens, Josh? I'm looking to go on the wild side, bro. You're in that freaking IRA. I'm in like crypto land. We're going fast and hard. All right, so this is what we're gonna do. One of my funded accounts is gonna be a 2. The other one's gonna be a 1, and we'll see what happens. Yo, Josh, if this works, what are we gonna name it? We need a name. Like ICT has a name, we're gonna need a name for this. And obviously, we'll come up with a couple more rules to it as well, like not during news event days. Yo, Coach definitely doing minis in my fucking personal account. Cove Concepts, dude. Well, it's kind of Josh who gave me the idea, so maybe like JC Concepts, Josh and Cove Concepts, do JC Concepts. I give Josh credit. I got to come up with rules though. We can't just go willy nilly, man. Big bold Cove, Jesus. I think some of the concepts would be like you can't do it on news days. I'll probably still do it on news days. Let's all be real now. I'm trying to think what some of the other ones would be. And what do you start at open? Now, do you do it at the open? Like the 9:30 open is where you started at, Josh? Bro, I can't wait to tell Apex when they ask me how I got funded by just saying that I just add 1 micro for every 50 points that we go away. It's going to be spectacular. Are we going to bust through this top here? Yo, how are you determining that, Josh? How are you determining plus? I don't see what future options. What's the future option? What's the ticker for NQ to buy options on it? Like, do you buy like option contracts? NDX. Dude, I never traded the NDX at all. Oh, baby. Yo, so I see 174 to the downside and 210 to the upside. So how'd you get 153? Obviously, there's still oh, dude, I'm fucking so stupid. I'm looking at the wrong shit. Yo, how'd you get 153? Yeah, you know what's funny is I've traded the SPX a good amount of time. I didn't even really think about the NASDAQ version of it. Oh, so on E-Trade, I'll just show you. Like the contracts are $55 or 61 and then 67. So the expected move is really like obviously some of it. Yo, you can put it in the Discord, Josh. Yo, put it in the cord. Put it in the Discord. I'll take a look. Unless you're driving. Are you driving? Alfred, I have no desire to fucking buy one that expires tomorrow for $5,000, dude. I was just looking at somebody. Somebody was talking about an Israel ceasefire. Is that true? Anybody know anything about it? Nothing like me getting stopped out at the top only for it to fucking drop. Oh. Yes, it is true. It's possible. Why, that's interesting. It's very interesting. I'm just trying to think how that could be positive or negative to oh, it's in the news? I didn't know it was in the news. I was unaware. This looks like it's gonna drop. I mean, I guess that's a positive. I thought the market would be up on that. It's crazy that it's not up on that. I thought we would have ripped. Oh, I gotta go open the door for my kids. Hold on a second. I'm back. I'm back. No trade zone. Prices right between two view op. No. Yeah, it's kind of sucking. Possible that and possible. Dude, it's crazy. Ah, geez. All right. Well, fucking, I'm old news, bro. I'm old news. Oh, it's a 60 day? All right. I got to put together a list of things I want to purchase when we start coming back down to earth a little bit. Like Hood is one I definitely want to own. I can't buy it here. If I can get Hood lower, that'd be awesome. I got a list. I saved up a bunch of cash. I got a list. Yo, Corey, I bought one Tradeify account today. They're running 45% off. You can use coupon code CoveTrader, get 45% off Tradeify. I got one. The 25K was only $206 for the funded account. I traded it and got no one else that I know of has come out with the Black Friday sales that are anybody that I would probably grab accounts from. So like I'm missing My Funded Futures hasn't, Apex haven't, and Take Profit Trader haven't either. Those are the only ones I'm looking to buy accounts from, probably. You know, that didn't come out with the code, but we'll see. I think they'll all do something for Black Friday. It might start tomorrow. I just hope that whatever they do continues to like Tuesday or Wednesday, so I can be a complete degenerate next week, where if I blow the accounts, I could still rebuy them with the Black Friday deal. That's what I was saying before. Their deal is so good, I don't want it to go away. Take Profit Traders 40% off, no activation fee. I was saying that before, that it's a really good deal. I grabbed two accounts today. I grabbed them. I'm up in them both. I grabbed them and see what happens. I just don't want them to get rid of the deal on like Monday or Tuesday, and then I didn't grab any accounts. So here I am. But yeah, I'm not a trade day person, to be honest with you. And also, they only allow you to have one funded account. It's kind of weird. I've never heard anything bad about them. I'm just, I think their activation fee is pretty high. Let me see what it is. Let me see what it is. See, and just for people to know, I can easily pump every single one, but I don't. Like I have an affiliate account there and I just don't talk about it because I think it's too expensive. You know, I think like you can, like you said, Alfred, you can get daily payouts, but you can get them from Take Profit Trader also. Like, you know, it's one of those things that I can just have every company in here with links and I don't, because I try to keep it to the ones I think are the best at the given time. Whatever one has the good deals, whatever one's, you know, obviously a good company. So, but yeah, I have accounts at all these places and just choose to only give you guys the ones that also I use. Like I wouldn't use it. So if I don't use it, I'm not going to tell you guys to use it. This thing's going for it. Yeah, I gotta know. I'll be honest with you. Between my funded futures, Tradeify, Take Profit Trader, and Apex, I got more than enough accounts. You know, I got just so many accounts. Yo, you guys got that fast track freaking coupon code? Anyone want to buy my fast track accounts? I'll give you a great discount on fast track accounts. Yeah, I've never done the 100Ks. People tend to like the Take Profit Trader 100K because it offers you a little bit more buffer. Yeah, $1 million funded trader soon. I wish the market would just move around a little bit. All I know is they should start rolling out these deals tomorrow, I would assume. Oh, look, that's automated, but yeah, that just happened. The Tradeify, 45% off. Scott won't rug pull me. My refund is coming. Yeah, I can't wait. I should email them again and be like, dude, I thought the refund was coming. Freaking refunds. Not getting any refund from them. So crazy. I should ask him, like, yo, where's the refund at? If I could find it real quick, I'll fucking email them. Oh yeah. I just emailed them. Next email is my refund in the hedge fund? I'm just wondering. Oh yeah, it's probably gonna get kicked back. I would imagine it's gonna get kicked back. Bro, Damn Good and Patrick pumped Fast Track till the last freaking day. And what was even worse is they were obviously texting and probably phone calls back and forth with Scott. So they knew that there were issues. they obviously knew there were issues. You know, like that wasn't like they obviously knew something more than we did. So they could say whatever they want. Um, you know, they were getting paid like stupid amount of money too for the affiliate commissions. Like it's crazy. Crazy, crazy. Yeah. They'll make everyone a better trader. That's like Top Step saying that they're going to give everybody only one live account to make you a better trader. Yo, if you believe anything those guys say, any firm that's telling you they're doing something to help you out, that is not the case. That I can tell you. Help you out. Yo, why don't you just pay everybody, dude? Oh my God, man. Matt Leach on Twitter. Sage goes popular or unpopular opinion. Trading view charts without custom features are just another charting tool. And then he wrote Project X started the trend, but prop firms white labeling trading view. Agree or disagree? Matt Leach goes, how's unemployment treating you? That's freaking hysterical. Sean, I thought we were really going to continue up. That's what you don't get is they don't want you to be successful. Everything they're offering is bad. Everything they offer you is not in your favor. That I can tell you. Ray. Oh. Oh my God. Yo, Matt Leach just trolling people on fucking Twitter is amazing. Loving this price action. Oh, come on. Give me this. Come on. We pump up. Dude, I hope so, man. I hope so. I mean, it's an open forum to ask questions and to get better. So I'm hoping people get better that are in here. Just fucking let this thing run. You should get a pop right here up to like 64 or so. Oh, I will say I can't wait to get back trading like normal freaking price action. Just 2 more days of this. Oh, I sold at a good time. Gee, yo, it's 3:41 already. Oh baby, I didn't even realize how late it was. Dude, I was a wick. To hold what, Sean? What, do the micro thing? Bro, if it works, if I do 1 week and I'm profitable 5 days in a row, I'll do it in my live account. I'll definitely do it in my live account. I'll show all you guys in my live account. I mean, if it works here for 5 days in a row, might as well just throw it on my money account. I was looking for something. Oh, here we are. I think it pops to no, dude. That's a pop. That's all the way up here. It might. It might. This current trader. All right. So here's the question, Josh. When you start adding contracts, where do you sell at? Like, say you buy at 50. Say we go down 50 points and you buy one. Where are you looking to sell that when we go back up 50 points? Where's the sell button for you? We need rules. Oh, that's a nice pop. Is this just going to run into close? Need to come up with the JC Concepts rules. Unless Josh left. Josh leave? Josh may have left. Dude, my eyes are burning. I mean, that would be a pump. That'd be a real big pump. Oh, hold on 1 second. Your position doesn't start until the market has moved 150 higher from open or lower from open. Oh, and then from there you start adding at 50 increments. I thought you'd start doing 50 at the open, man. So you would have no trades today then. You have no trades. Today would be a no trade day. In the overnight? Yo, hold on one second. Where in the overnight? Oh, when it dropped here. So you start right here. So you start at 6 o'clock, I guess. Ah. And then where do you sell? When it comes back, 50 points is your sell, 50 points, I guess. Holy shit, this thing's pumping. Honestly, dude, I'll be honest with you. I mean, oh my God. If you grabbed like the 900, you would have just, that's crazy. Oh, you know what I got? I got a eval. I got a trade in Bullnox. I just shorted it. Let's see what happens. Yeah, man, that shit went. It went banana land. Yo, all you gotta do is hold. That's how easy it is. You just had to hold. I love those guys on YouTube. You just had to hold. It's like, thanks, bud. Thanks. Thanks for telling me. Algo candle in less than 1 minute, 30 seconds, maybe. Oh, here's the algo. Dude, this thing's just gonna go. Looks like they're gonna crush it for a little bit. Let's see what they do. Let's see what they do. Man, this has been a choppy ass day. I would say 62, 60 maybe, 62, hit the 34 maybe. Worst case scenario, probably 53. I mean, it could just pop from here. I mean, you got to think these are algos popping off on a day that there's like no volume as it is. There's very little volume today. So I mean, no, they're pushing it. Dude, just push it. Keep pushing it. I wonder what tomorrow brings with if the ceasefire is actually true. I mean, this is the close that you wanted if you're bullish. I mean, I wouldn't be surprised to see a drift up tomorrow, Thursday, and Friday, and you just he had the news conference. Yeah. Let's see. I'm just curious if they push it like the shit just starts going. I didn't even realize we were at 21,000. Yeah, I mean this is typically a bullish week. It kind of just drifts up. Come on, keep it going. If we get another candle and it keeps going up, I wouldn't be surprised to see 23. 23 would basically be the hourly range. That's what I would be targeting. Let's see what happens. I did not know that, Josh. How's that sound? You know who does that? TrendSpider has all that data. I don't know if you use TrendSpider, but they have all that data, the seasonality data. We did it. We did it, Joe. Come on, push up to freaking 20. Well, I was about to take profits in here, but I guess not. I'll just let it ride. Let's go. Come on. Just push this thing here. I can just see the algos just taking it up, especially after hours. Let's see what after hours brings. Oh, you use stock charts, which is yo. Put the link in for stock charts, like the free one, like whatever you're looking at free with McDonald's. I'll take a pizza. I'm always down for data like that. Oh, sweet baby Jesus. Pull up, have MSTR have a green freaking day tomorrow where we can kill another day of theta and then it goes up as well. Push it. I'm just taking my fucking gains. Oh, fucking stretch, man. Dude, you never hit fucking 1020, bro. I don't have an account for you, but I could give you the best coupon code out there. Use coupon code CoveTrader. It will save you. It will give you the biggest discount. That's even better because it's ongoing. Oh man, I don't like that it got under 21,000. I don't like trading accounts. The ones that close at like, I think my funded futures closes at like 410. All right, that wasn't that bad of a day. Made back a bunch of it. Well, not a bunch of it, but it was at 3,100. Now it's only at 2,377. So we'll see what happens. Like I said, I'm still positive. Like if this closes here, like I'm good. This closes here. This expires this week. It's $375 and I'll roll that to the next week. We'll see what happens. I assume we're not really going to go. If anywhere, I think we're going to go up, especially with the ceasefire shit. There's a lot of fucking red. I'll be honest with you, I'm probably just going to try to pump evals. I was thinking that, Ray, hold like one mini and just add a mini. Just keep adding minis for my account. There we go, Ray. I'm in with you, Ray. Ray, are you in? Why can't I see how much money that is? Ray, I grabbed the mini. Ride or die. Bad boys for life, baby. I'm in one mini. Are we adding, Ray? Are we adding on this as we go up? I don't know. Ray and I are holding one micro. Isn't that right, Ray? One micro? Yo, I need beat. Yeah, long. I need Bitcoin to come back here. Who do I call for that? I just need Bitcoin to come back to like 95,000 maybe. All right, so we're holding one mic. Are you adding at any point, Ray? Are we adding down 50 points? I add another one. Is that what we're doing? Down 50, I add another one. Yo, down 50, I'm adding another one. I already put my order in. Yo, but I gotta wait till I'm down 150 points from open, right? 150. We'll see what happens, boys. I'm in it to win it. Yo, I got a serious question about this. So, if you guys don't know, I actually love different strategies. And I'm curious if I backtest this, what fucking actually happens. How's that sound? So like we open at 9. He would never, oh, you would have actually bought. No, you would never have got in. I think this might actually work. Holy shit. Yeah, so I'm back. I'm gonna be back testing this, right? Like you have no idea. Let me just shut all this shit off real quick, and I'll back test it right now. I'll just look. So basically, we open. So we open at 500. Man, that's a crazy fucking move. See, this is how you can get fucked with prop firms, though. Um, like 9 o'clock, we go up. You run out of time. Like it never comes back and then comes back later on. Bro, I say that to my brother every time he buys crypto. I'm like, yo, if you liked it at $50, I bet you love it at 3. Um, why do your first buy is over always when it's 150 points away from the open at 6 o'clock? Yo, ask yourself if I'm worried about it. I'm not worried one bit about it. We got 225. I almost feel like you could start earlier than 150 points, Josh. I feel like you could start at 100 points. Ray, how do you do it? Obviously, you'd get completely fucking smoked out. But like, if you know that you're running because Trump's in office, you don't do this. So 300 points. When do you start it, Ray? At 9:30? Tell me how you do it. I'm coming up with my own thesis right here. As I'm looking at this shit, I'm coming up with my own ideas. Yo, but you can withstand the move because it's only $200 per 100 points. So 600 points is only $1,200. All right, later, Josh. Yo, so you know what this is called, right? This is called grid trading, by the way. I used to do it with crypto. That's what this is. This is grid trading. All right. Oh my God, I can't even believe I'm doing this. All right. If one is $20 for 10 points, two, I'm going to whip out an Excel sheet. Hold on. 1, 2, 3, 4. This would be one is 20 points, 40. So if you went 100 points against you, and it was equals this. I'm doing some math on an Excel sheet. Divided by no, so it would be 10 points. Yo. All right. So that'd be $200. Then if it went, so basically this is what the deal is, right? If it went 100, if you get in on one mini and it goes 100 points against you, actually I'm going to divide it by half equals, because we're going to do, so here's the deal. If it goes 50 points against you, you're down 100. If it goes 100 points against you, you're 100 points against you. Fuck, man. You would get 50 plus. Oh my God. Yeah, no. Oh, dude, you don't even want to see what I'm doing on here. Hold on. So 50 points against you. Who paid out 30 million? Yo, bro, is there a problem with Apex? Why? What's the issue? What's the issue with Apex, man? What's your issue with Apex? Just wondering. Nism, there should be no issues with Apex. Damn, 20 accounts, dude? That's freaking wild, bro. Were they funded or just evals? I have I've had no problems with Apex. Dude, yeah, that sucks, man. Dude, that's crazy. We didn't really even move around that much, to be honest. Just got yo-yoed. All right, so here's the deal, right? If you get in and it goes 50 points against you, you're down $100. Then if you add two more micros and it goes down another 50, now you're down $400. And then you add another 3. If you add another 3 and it goes down another 50, you're down $800. And then if you add 4 and you're down, if you add 4, you go down $1,300. I'm trying to do this plus talk to you guys. I gotta do this math. I gotta do this math. Yo, Island Boy, man, I would just play small the rest of this week, man. That's what I would do. doing the math. Basically, how much you can be down. Basically, if you went down 200 points, your account would be gone. Is what you'd have to be down. So the market would have to be down 250 points in one direction, and you not take any profits on the way back up with contracts that you added if you keep adding. And when I keep adding, I mean like you add one there, and then you add two, and then you add three, and then you add four. So you're adding multiple up. You're not just adding one at these levels. You're adding more and more. So basically, you get burnt out at down $250. You're down 3,000, which is more than the drawdown. So somewhere between. No, no, Baba. We didn't do it at all. We just kind of hung out today. Yeah, Ray. So that's the deal. Basically, you can go down about 200 and something points against you. But what you got to do is like, say you add, say we're dropped, like argument's sake, like say you got in over here and it starts going against you and you're adding. And if you add like up here and in here, when you start dropping again, those that you added up here, you got to take profit is what you got to do. Dude, I'm going to do this tomorrow. It's a one funded account. Like, who gives a shit? I've blown accounts doing stupider shit. So I'm just going to add one, and then two, and then three, and then four. And then basically when I start going to like the 3 and 4 level, if it bounces back, yeah, I'm going to do it live. I'll do it live. When it bounces back, I will take profit on those larger ones. It's called grid trading. Baba, I've done it in crypto and made money. I think it would work better in your own account, due to the fact that I can hold it overnight. I don't have to. You're thinking I do 1-1 and then 2-3. That would give me a lot. That would give me even more distance to add. Maybe I do 1-1, 2-3, 4. I don't know. I'm gonna play with it tomorrow, guys. We're gonna make or break it tomorrow. We're gonna do it live. We're gonna do it live. So I passed one of these accounts. I'm gonna make that one the DCA gang account. Bro, I don't even know what that is, Ray. What are you're talking nonsense with stop losses? Freaking stop losses. Guys talking stop losses over here. I'm going full in. Stop losses. All right, so tomorrow live we start it. I'll pay for this funded account, and I'm gonna do wherever we open at. I guess 50 points is what I'm going to do. Once we're up or down 50 points, I'm going in. I think that's good for tomorrow because the range is probably going to be small. And then when we go back to normal trading, I might wait until we're up or down 100 points and then do it from there to give it more leeway. All right, I'm going to get going. I got to get dinner and shit like that ready. I got my kids' basketball I got to go to. Ray, I'm holding this 1 micro, and I got an ad at 9:54, so don't do me dirty. Work off the first. Ray, I'm doing at when it opens up at 6 o'clock. My range starts. All right. I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Peace.